Hey cosplayers, are you working with 3D print materials? Today in the Cosbond workshop, we're going to show you how to use Cosbond Attach and Build's double-sided adhesive sheets to stick the 12 most common cosplay materials to 3D print material. If the 3D print material you're using is extra rough, make sure that it's sanded and clean. When using Attach and Build, you simply cut it to the size you need, peel it, stick it to your material, peel the release paper, and now we can instantly stick L200 foam, EVA, insulation foam, fabric. The higher the thread count, the better. Different metals, more wood, stick it to the smooth, unfinished side of leather. Thermoplastics like Worbla or Wonderflex. Different 3D print materials, woven nylon, stick Attach and Build to the smooth side of clay, and acrylic or glass. With Cosbond Attach and Build, there's no need to guess what adhesives to use. You just cut the sheet to the size you need, peel, and stick. You'll get a powerful hold for all of your cosplay materials with no fumes, no mess, and no dry time. So you can build more detailed and complex costumes faster and easier than ever.